So we were discussing about financial statement analysis. And in the initial modules and all, we were saying that there are certain tools for financial analysis. Those include comparative balance sheet or comparative financial statement, common size statement, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, ratio analysis. All these things are financial analysis tool. And what did we say? What was the basic pillar or what is the basic document that is required to prepare all these things?
Trial balance,
After that,
P&L account,
Final accounts.
final account,
profit and loss account and balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
So the main thing that you have to know is that while preparing cash flow statement and fund flow statement, we are extracting information from any of the final accounts. That is, it may be from profit and loss account or balance sheet. So you will be given a question which has 2 years of balance sheet. Okay. That means you will be having a balance sheet or profit and loss account which has 2 columns. That is year 1 and year 2. So from this only you are comparing and preparing various schedules and various accounts to prepare fund flow statement and cash flow statement. So before we do, what is this fund all about? Fund flow statement. What is the fund? What do you mean by fund?
The capital or no?
Yes, it is related to capital. Which capital? Mostly.
Working capital.
What is this?
networking,
NWC means net working capital. So fund means it is net working capital. What is net working capital? Or how to calculate working capital, or what is working capital? Anyone? What is working capital?
The
Current asset minus
day-to-day
current
for
liabilities.
the daily activities.
Yes, the fund required for daily operations. Yes, that is all about working capital. And one of you had said the formula or the thing to calculate net working capital. What is that? Yes, some of you said no. How to calculate working capital?
Current asset minus current liabilities.
Exactly. Current assets minus current liabilities. So in other words, we can say that a net working capital is the excess of what? Excess of
assets or liability,
assets. Which one? It is the excess of current
Current
assets
assets.
over current
our current
liabilities.
liability.
Because fund or working capital, it means current assets minus current liabilities. So this fund or working capital can be told as the excess of current assets over current liabilities. That is known as working capital or
Working
fund. Okay. Yes. The same thing. Excess of current assets over current liabilities. So what is fund flow statement?
Inflow and outflow of this working capital.
Yes. It shows the changes in assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity between 2 dates of balance sheet. That means we are trying to compare all the balance sheet items, okay, between 2 periods. That will be year 1 and year 2. We'll be preparing fund flow statement. And yeah, let me tell you how to prepare this. We'll see. So just before this, you are okay, no? Fund flow statement. Fund means it is working capital. Working capital means current assets minus current liabilities. So this fund flow statement helps us to analyze the changes happening in all the items in the balance sheet between 2 periods. What are the reasons why it changes? That is the main thing with fund flow statement. So what is the purpose of doing fund flow statement? It helps in what is this?
Capital budget.
It helps in capital budgeting. It also helps us to analyze why the changes occurred when it comes to the items of balance sheet. Yes. So this is a typical balance sheet. And can you compute the fund? Just don't do in your book. Just try to use the calculator. What is fund? Fund means net working capital. It means current assets minus
Minus
current liabilities. Okay. So in this question, what are the current assets and what are the current liabilities? After this, we will find out what are the various current asset, current liability, non-current asset, non-current liability. Okay. So first of all, you try to do this one. What is the fund in this problem? Or what is the net working capital in this problem? Or what is the excess of current assets over current liabilities in this problem? How to do that? Here in the liability side, you are seeing the current liabilities, right? And asset side, you are seeing the current assets. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So total this current assets and reduce total of current liabilities. You will be getting fund. Can you compute that?
35,200.
35,200 is the answer. How did you get that?
Current asset minus current liability.
Current liabilities. That means, once again to explain to everyone, 25,000 plus 35,000 plus 2,500 plus 500. From that minus 11,000 plus 4,200 plus 5,800 plus 6,800. You will be getting something. So the current assets minus current liability, you will be getting 35,200. And what is this? Net working capital or fund.
Fund.
Okay. And why didn't we take equity capital or preference capital, general reserve, all these things? Because they are not current liabilities or current assets. They are non-current assets and non-current liabilities. That is why we omitted that. Okay. You are clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, before doing the fund flow statement, no, you have to know various items. Various items in the sense, you have to distinguish between current assets, current liabilities, non-current assets, non-current liabilities. Okay. So these are the, first of all, you come and see current assets, cash and bank balance, accounts receivable, stock, short-term investments, prepaid expenses, accrued income. These are the current assets. What do you mean by current assets? Please don't forget these items. It can be converted to cash very easily, like
Within a short period.
short period. What is that short period?
Less than
Within
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah, less than 1 year. Less than 1 year, it can be realized to cash. It will be very easy to realize these items to cash. Now come to non-current assets. It is also known as non-current assets is also known as fixed assets. All the assets of the company, that means goodwill, all the tangible as well as intangible assets of the company will be termed as non-current assets. Goodwill, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, long-term investment, P&L account debit balance. That means P&L account debit balance. What it is?
Net profit.
Profit or loss?
Net profit.
Profit. Debit list. Net profit transfer
No.
to balance sheet.
See, come to non-current liabilities, profit and loss account, credit balance. What it means? While preparing what? This one. While preparing balance sheet, what you are doing? Adding up the net profit with where are you adding that?
Capital.
Net profit आया capital like add ചെയ്യും. What it means?
Liability.
Yes, it is liabilities. So profit and loss account, debit balance, and next item is preliminary expenses. What is preliminary expense?
First expenses.
Preliminary. What is the meaning of the word preliminary?
First
Starting or beginning.
Beginning. So it means that while beginning our company, we will incur various expenses like logo expense, trademark expense, or initial setup cost, all these things. Usually what we do is that we will treat it as asset. Okay. And what will we do? Year after year, we will depreciate that amount. Okay. We will write off that amount every year. That's what we do. Because preliminary expense, for example, I started the business and the preliminary expense was rupees 1 lakh. This is in 2008. Okay. And in 2009, I will be writing off 10%. Every year, I'll be writing off 10% of preliminary expenses. Writing off means what we are doing?
Reducing that amount from the real amount.
We will be reducing that amount from balance sheet, as well as we will show it in profit and loss account.
Profit and loss.
Yes, that's how it is. So preliminary expense, next one patent and trademark, and last one discount on issue of shares and debentures. Now coming to current liabilities. What are current liabilities?
Liability that must be paid within a year.
Paid within 1 year. That means we should realize it as soon as possible within a short period of time. Can you mute? I think some noise is coming from somewhere. Yes. And when it comes to current liabilities, no, accounts payable outstanding expense, income received in advance, dividends payable, and provision for doubtful debts. That means bad debts. Yes. And you are seeing the two items, right? Provision for tax and proposed dividend. Are you there?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Provision for tax will also be treated as non-current liabilities. Mostly while doing the problem, please understand this. Provision for tax and proposed dividend will be treated as non-current liability only. While doing the problem, I'll tell you what is the treatment. So provision for tax and proposed dividend. So these are the new terms. What is provision for tax? See, you are getting a balance sheet and two columns, 2019, 2020. Provision for tax, 5,000, 7,000. What does it mean? Provision for tax. What is tax? The company has to pay tax, right?
Yes.
So we are making a provision for that tax. So in 2019, we had made a provision of 5,000 rupees. That is last year. And in 2020, we made a provision of 7,000 rupees. Okay. So when are we preparing the fund flow statement? 2019 or 2020?
2020.
2020. We are comparing the last year's items, right? So 2019 and 20 data is available. We are preparing fund flow statement in the year 2020, right? Okay. 2020, we are preparing the fund flow statement. In 2019, we had mentioned provision for tax rupees 5,000. Adin endu sambhochundavu equal. What might have happened to that 5,000 this year?
Agree, sir.
Provision kaina kollam we have mentioned. In the last year, we have mentioned 5,000 provision. What will happen this year for that 5,000? It will be, that tax will be, it is deemed to be what? Whether provision item avadi irikyo? Will it remain as provision?
No.
Appo endayirikkum 2020?
Liability.
What is the reason reason for keeping provision?
Pay ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്
അടുത്ത കൊല്ലം കൊടുക്കാനുണ്ട്. In 2019, 5,000 rupees is the provision. So in 2020, automatically that 5,000 will be paid, right? Last year provision means this year it will be paid. That you have to understand, with provision for tax and same for proposed dividend also. Last year provision will be paid this year. That is the thing we have to understand. While doing the problem, I'll make you clear. Fine. So provision for tax and proposed dividend those two are treated as current liabilities as well as non-current liabilities. But most of the time while doing the problem, this provision for tax and proposed dividend, these two items are treated as non-current liabilities only. Clear? You have to understand that these are non-current liabilities. Fine.
Sir.
Just to know, you just have to know these items. That's it. And while doing the problem, it will be all right. And what about non-current liabilities? What is that? Long-term liabilities, you have heard, right? What is that?
Liability which can be paid with a long period, within a long period.
Yes, those are the fixed liabilities or long-term liabilities which may be paid after many years. Like, see the items: share capital, debentures and long-term loan, profit and loss account credit balance, provision and reserve, proposed dividend. All these things, no, these are long-term items because they need not be realized to cash. Okay, so current assets and fixed assets, current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Now let me tell you. So in fund flow statement, basically we are trying to find out what is this?
Source of fund and application.
Sources of fund and application of fund. Source of fund means from where did the money or fund came to our organization. There are n number of sources of funds. And what about application of fund?
How we are utilizing that fund in our business.
How did the fund or money went outside our organization? That means sources of funds means where are these sources? Can you guess what are the sources of fund for an organization from layman's point of view?
Capital, loan,
Capital,
loan,
Profit.
loan. A profit in a വേറൊരു പേരുണ്ട്. There is another name for profit that is known as fund from
Operations.
operation, because we will be preparing another document called adjusted P&L account. So leave it at that. What Davis said was true. Shares is there, debentures, loans, profit. That means, yes, what David said, profit, right? That means fund
Yeah, yes,
from
sir, yeah.
operations.
Operations.
Yes. And I don't know whether you know, there is another source. What is that? Any assets which are sold in an year, some money comes, right?
yes,
Sale of
goods,
Goods ano?
Assets.
sale of
Yeah.
assets.
Sale of fixed assets.
fixed.
These are the major sources of funds for an organization. Now come to application of fund. What is application? The cash is going out from our business. What
Yes.
may be the reasons?
Expenses,
Expenses.
liabilities,
Expenses we are not recording here.
liability,
Depreciation.
Depreciation we are not recording here. Where are we recording the depreciation?
Balance sheet. Profit and
This one, no? What is this?
loss.
Fund from operation. While
Fund
preparing
from-
fund from
okay.
operation only, we are doing n number of adjustments. We will be preparing a separate account called adjust. Eh? Sorry?
അവിടെ പറഞ്ഞു.
We will be preparing this adjusted profit and loss account. There only we will be adjusting what? Depreciation or some other expenses. Okay. So when it comes to application of fund, idinte okke opposite. What is this? Sources of fund? Issue of share. So application, what will it be? Redemption of share. Redemption of, what is this?
debentures,
Redemption of debentures. What is this? What was this? Fund from operation.
purchasing, fixed,
Loss from operation.
loss,
And this one, sources of fund. Sale of some fixed assets, which was a source of fund. And
Purchase of non-current assets.
Purchase of non-current liability or
Liabilities.
assets.
Assets.
These are the major applications of fund. These are the reasons by which some money goes outside our business. So while preparing fund flow statement, what is other name for fund flow statement? Another name? Do you know?
അറിയായിരുന്നു മറന്നുപോയി. ഭയങ്കര പാടാ പക്ഷെ
ഇല്ല ഫണ്ട് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യാൻ ഭയങ്കര എളുപ്പം. ക്യാഷ് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യാനാ കുറച്ചുകൂടി പാട്.
ഈ സോഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ അത് ചെയ്യാൻ വലിയ പാടാ.
See, fund flow statement is also known as statement of ഈ രണ്ട് item. Read this. What is this?
Source and application.
Fund flow statement is also known as statement of sources and application of funds.
Fund.
Okay. So we saw some of the items roughly, right? The sources and applications. What did you understand from there? What type of item did we mention in this fund flow statement? Current asset and current liability ആണോ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്തത്?
No.
Yes. Then what? So this fund flow statement, while preparing fund flow statement, all the items will be related to this and this or this and this.
Non-current and
Exactly. Non-current assets and non-current liabilities. So fund flow statement, while preparing fund flow statement or the statement of sources and application of fund, the items will be like non-current assets and non-current liabilities. This you should not understand. This you should understand, sorry. So it talks about inflow and outflow of funds. Okay, fund flow statement. Shall we?
yes, sir.
Yes. So what I said here, we have sources of fund and application of fund. What is that? Sources of fund means which increases the fund, right? Which increase the items or transaction which increases the fund or that working capital is known as source of fund. And the transactions which reduce the fund is known as application of fund. For example, take issue of shares. The money comes inside, right?
Yes.
അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ? What about application of fund?
Redemption.
Redemption of share. What happens? We should give the money to the customers. That means it reduces the fund. Okay. So these are the two items which you should remember: sources and application of fund or fund flow statement. We will treat only non-current asset and non-current liability. There are certain transactions which will not affect the flow of fund, and it is also known as, yes, fund flow statement is also known as sources and application of fund. Yes. Yes. And one more question to you. To check whether fund flow statement, what we have prepared is right, we can prepare another document. What is that document all about? What is that statement? In fund flow statement, what are the items we are taking?
Cash flow.
Not
What is this?
non-current.
While preparing fund flow
Non-current
statement,
assets
we
and
are taking only, yes, non-current assets and non-current liabilities. To check whether our fund flow statement is right, we are preparing another statement called what?
Statement of changes in working capital.
Statement of changes in working capital. I would suggest everyone to prepare this statement of changes in working capital, even though if question is silent, because always you should understand fund flow statement and statement of changes in working capital will always be equal. In fund flow statement, we are taking non-current assets and non-current liability. Clear? ഇത് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? ഫണ്ട് ഫ്ലോ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റിലെ we are taking non-current asset and non-current liabilities. But while preparing statement of changes in working capital, we will be taking what?
Current assets and
Current assets and current liabilities. Okay. And a typical problem in fund flow statement, how it will be, I'll just tell you. You will be given a balance sheet having 2 years, 2 years data, 2009, 10 or 19, 20, like that. Balance sheet would be there, and additional information or adjustments will also be there. Okay, clear? That is a
Yes.
typical question. So what do we know about adjustments while preparing final accounts? What is the basic theory or basic idea
There will
about
be
adjustments?
2 entries.
It will be there in two places, right? Either trading account or balance sheet, or profit and loss account and balance sheet. Alla?
Yes.
Right. Likewise, here also you will be given a balance sheet and additional information. That additional information will be mentioned in any of the two places, because we are going to prepare n number of accounts in fund flow statement. Appo edokka account, which are the accounts or which are the items to be prepared while doing a fund flow statement is, first one, statement of changes in working capital. You are getting what is statement of changes in working capital? It records only current assets and current liabilities. And another thing to note while preparing this working capital statement of changes in working capital is that no adjustments or no items below the balance sheet will be taken. Only the current asset and current liabilities which are given inside the balance sheet will be taken. So there is no confusion to prepare changes in working capital. Okay, we will be taking only the items given in the balance sheet, and we will not be taking any adjustments or any other information which are mentioned outside the balance sheet. That is all about statement of changes in working capital. And next one, draw the format of fund flow statement. I'll show you the format of fund flow statement. And after that, you will not be able to do this fund flow statement at initially. What is the reason?
First statement of changes in working capital.
Adinte munne, let me tell you. We saw various sources and application of fund, right? What were the sources of funds?
Operating expenses.
Sources, share debentures.
Share debentures, sale
fund
of
from-
machinery or sale of assets, and one main item as a source is fund from
Operations.
operations. So while calculating this fund from operations, we have to see n number of adjustments and prepare what? Adjusted.
Statement of changes in.
No. To calculate fund from operation, we have to prepare adjusted profit and loss account. Then only we will be getting the correct fund from operations. I'll tell you what is the reason why we prepare fund from operations. Okay, that I'll tell you. And we have to prepare the various accounts of the items given in the adjustment. What it means? As I said to you earlier, you will be getting a balance sheet, and below that you will be getting n number of adjustments, like at least 3 or 4 adjustments, like provide depreciation on machinery, and machinery purchase for this amount was sold to that amount. All these things will be mentioned. So you have to prepare one machinery account. If there is something related to provision for tax, you have to prepare the account for provision for tax. Likewise, you should do. Only after that you will be able to prepare this adjusted P&L account. After preparing adjusted P&L account, you will be getting fund from operation, which can be plugged into fund flow statement. Confusion. While doing this, it is very easy. Fine. So, but I just wanted myself to give you a big picture about fund flow statement, because you should not have any confusions related to this. So I am doing some reverse kind of things. ഇപ്പൊ ശരിക്കും എനിക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ നേരെ ഫണ്ട് ഫ്രം ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ഒന്നും പറയാതെ ഫണ്ട് ഫ്രം ഓപ്പറേഷൻ I could have taught, or statement of changes in working capital. But the main thing is that you have to understand things in the big picture. So prepare the statement of changes in working capital using current assets and current liabilities which are given inside the balance sheet. Nothing is nothing affects this statement of changes in working capital, like additional information and all. Only take the items which are given inside the balance sheet. Then draw the format of fund flow statement. Then prepare the various accounts. Accounts means this T format: machinery account, provision for tax account, all these accounts which has adjustments you have to prepare. After that, you will be preparing the adjusted profit and loss account to calculate fund from operation. This is somewhat a bit confusing. We'll be discussing. Okay, so adjusted profit and loss account, you will be getting fund from operation. Then you have to complete this fund flow statement. And how to check whether fund flow statement is correct? How can we cross check? How can we cross check?
Preparing the statement of changes in working capital.
Yes, fund flow statement and statement of changes in working capital will be always equal. Fine. Yes. And we were talking about statement of changes in working capital, right? What is that? We are trying to figure out, did our working capital increase or decrease after 1 year? Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the format. We have to list down the current assets and current liabilities. We are having like 4 columns, what we have done in comparative balance sheet. Okay. Previous year and current year. Let me tell you. So cash and bank, previous year, let it be 2019, 2020. Cash and bank, the amount is 10,000. It became 15,000. Debtors 7,000, 4,000. Yes. Can you tell me the amount on the third and fourth column? Hello?
Stock.
No, this one. This is just an illustration.
5,000.
Cash and bank, previous year it was the 10,000 and current year it is 15,000. Current assets increased or decreased?
Increased.
Increased.
So in the increase column, you have to write 5,000.
5,000.
Nothing here. What about debtors?
Decrease.
Decreased.
So
3,000.
In decrease column.
3,000. It decreased. Yes. So you have to understand that if current assets increase, working capital, current asset increase, working capital,
Increase.
current asset decrease, working capital,
Decrease.
decrease. Now come to current liability. Creditors 3,000. It became 4,000. Bills payable, it was 10,000. It became 7,000. Now come to current liabilities. Creditors 2019 3,000, 2020 4,000. What happened?
Decrease
Increase
policy.
1,000.
Increase alle. Adayathu current assets increased for 1,000. Current liabilities increased 1,000 rupees.
1,000.
പക്ഷേ ഡിക്രീസ്
ഡിക്രീസ് ഇല്ല കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതുന്നത്.
അതെന്തുകൊണ്ടിട്ടാ?
വർക്കിംഗ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ എഫക്റ്റ് വരുന്നത് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആയിട്ടാ ലയബിലിറ്റിയിൽ.
When current liabilities increases, working capital decreases. So this here creditors increase 1,000 rupees. So working capital decreases 1,000 rupees. What about bills payable? Bills payable 10,000 എന്നുള്ളത് 7,000 ആയി. What about that 3,000? Increase or decrease?
ലയബിലിറ്റി ഡിക്രീസ്.
Liability decrease. Working
വർക്കിംഗ്
capital
ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ഇൻക്രീസ്.
So you have to write 3,000 over here. So why I told this is because you have to understand this. When current asset increases, working capital also increases. When current asset decreases, working capital decreases. When current liability increases,
working
വർക്കിംഗ്
capital
ക്യാപിറ്റൽ
decreases.
decreases. Current liability decreases,
Working
വർക്കിംഗ്
capital
ക്യാപിറ്റൽ
increases. That's what we had done in this problem, this illustration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So statement of changes in working capital, you have to list out all the current assets and current liabilities for 2 years, and you have to find out the effect on working capital. It may be either increase or decrease. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And another thing, as I said earlier, while preparing statement of changes in working capital, what you have to see? What is this?
Information inside the balance sheet only.
Yes. Information given inside the balance sheet only you have to take while preparing statement of changes in working capital. Okay. Yes. This is our main. Okay. What is this? This
Fund flow statement.
is the format of the fund flow statement. Yes. Now let us see the items here. Sources of funds and application of funds. Okay. Right. What are the sources of funds? Issue of share capital,
Issue of debenture,
debentures,
Loan.
loans from
an
institutions,
sale
sale of
of
non-current assets
non-current
and
assets and
investment,
investment, fund from operations.
fund from operations. Okay. And the reason for preparing adjusted profit and loss account and other individual accounts, I said earlier, no? Why we are doing so is because we have to get fund from operation or profit. That is why we are preparing those adjusted kinds of profit and loss account and various accounts. So you have to understand that sources of funds means what are the areas from which money comes inside our organization. While issuing share capital, while issuing debentures, money is coming, right? And while taking loans from institutions, what happens? It is also a source of fund, right? Because we are getting money. And sale of non-current assets. Can you give an example?
Furnitures. Sale of
Furniture, sale of furniture, sale of plant and machinery, sale of land. All these things, if we are selling that, we are getting money. That is another source. And fund from operation. And the opposite of all these items, we'll get application of fund. Redemption of preference share capital, redemption of debentures, repayment of loans, purchase of non-current assets. Example?
purchase of furniture, machinery.
Yes. Loss from operation means while preparing adjusted profit and loss account, we may incur loss, but mostly we'll be ending up with profit only. And while what is the fund flow statement? At last, we are trying to find out net increase or decrease in working capital. Sources minus applications. So we'll be getting an amount. This minus this. Fine. And what is the peculiarity of fund flow statement? This amount will be equal to
Statement of changes in
this amount will be equal to the amount that we have received while preparing statement of changes in working capital.
working capital.
Clear? That you have to understand. So fund flow statement deals with non-current assets and non-current liabilities. Statement of changes in working capital, on the other hand, deals with
Current assets and current
current liabilities. Fine. What is this?
balance sheet.
This is a balance sheet which doesn't have any adjustments. Okay. We don't have any adjustments in this problem. Just to have a basic illustration or basic idea about this problem. And from next class, we'll be doing slowly the other problems which are having adjustments. Before that, I'll teach you all the adjustments. So if you are seeing this balance sheet, you will be seeing assets and liabilities. Fine. You have received the balance sheet for 2008 as well as 2009. From this, you are going to prepare a fund flow statement and statement of changes in working capital. Let me tell you. If you are getting a question like this. Okay. If you are getting a question like this, first of all, you will be preparing what? For any fund flow statement question, what is the first item you are going to prepare?
Changes of
Statement of changes in working capital. Yes. Adil endokkeya variya statement of changes in working capital?
Assets, current
Current assets and
liabilities.
current liabilities.
Only current assets and current liabilities which are given inside the balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Can you give me the current assets and current liabilities in this problem?
stocks,
Cash
Cash
in
in
hand.
hand and bank.
ഈ രണ്ടെണ്ണേ ഉള്ളോ?
Accounts receivable.
Accounts
Yes, you have to
receivables.
identify. Okay. Cash in hand, accounts receivable, and
Stock.
stock. These are the three current assets. Now come to current liabilities.
Accounts payable.
Accounts
general.
payable. Okay.
General
General reserve എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും in this question, while preparing fund flow statement, what was that item? Fund from operations, right? Source.
Yes.
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 So in this question, we don't have any profit and loss account or any adjustments related to that. So a question like this, it means general reserve means we are treating it as fund from operations. Okay. അത് സാധാരണ ഇങ്ങനെ വരാറില്ല. Because since we don't they have not given the profit and loss account or any adjustments related to profit and loss account, we don't have to prepare adjusted P&L account. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
Here we treat fund from operations as the difference between these two items. I'll tell you that. So you have found out current assets and current liabilities. So we have to prepare statement of changes in working capital. What we are going to write here?
Current assets.
Current assets. എന്തൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു?
Stock.
Cash,
Cash in.
stock,
Ac-
accounts receivable.
Accounts receivable.
Accounts receivable. Cash 2008 35, 2009 75. Okay. 35,000, 75,000. Stock എത്രയാ? 87 and 120. അല്ല? Right?
Yes.
What about accounts receivable? 98 and 90. 98,000, 90,000.
40,000 increase first one.
40,000, la? 40,000. Okay.
33,000.
33,000 increase. What about account receivable?
Decrease.
8,000.
8,000. Okay. Now we have to total this one and keep it over here. 35 plus 98 plus 87.
20,000.
2,20,000. Current year, 75 plus 120 plus 90.
2,85,000.
2,85,000. Now come to what is the next item? Current assets is
Current-
over. Current liabilities.
Liability.
Accounts
Only
payable.
one, right?
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable.
70 and 1 lakh. Accounts payable. Accounts payable. 71. ഓടിപ്പോയി ഇൻക്രീസിൽ എഴുതരുത് കേട്ടോ. Because when current liabilities increases, it
Working capital decrease.
working
Decreases.
capital reduces. So if
30,000.
decrease കോളത്തിലാണ് 30,000 എഴുതേണ്ടത്. Okay. When current liabilities increase, you have to write it in decrease column because it reduces the working capital. Fine. What is the total of current liabilities? 70,000.
70,000. 1 lakh.
Yes. So what is the working capital? Current asset minus current liability. 2009 working capital എത്രയാ?
Sir, അത് മൈനസ് താഴേക്ക് എഴുതണ്ടേ?
എങ്ങനെ?
2,20,000 minus 70,000.
അല്ല അത് എഴുതണം എന്നില്ല, നമുക്ക് ഇത് കണ്ടാ മനസ്സിലാവില്ലേ?
1,50,000.
1,50,000
50,000.
is the working capital for 2009. അപ്പൊ 2010
1,85,000.
1,85,000.
85,000.
Yes. And what is happening? Increase ആണോ decrease ആണോ?
Increase.
Working
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോക്കിയാൽ തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാവില്ലേ? 2009 it was 1,50,000. 2010 it became 1,85,000. Increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase.
Increase in working capital. Where are we going to write this? 35. We have to write it over here. 35,000. Yes. So 35,000. What happened? Increase in.
Working capital.
Yes. There is another last column. You have to write 1,85,000. 1,85,000.
ഈ 35,000 എന്താ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ എഴുതിയേക്കണേ?
പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിലല്ലേ കുറവ്.
ഓക്കെ.
ഡിക്രീസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഭാഗത്ത് എഴുതും.
ബാലൻസ്.
Yes. And what about here in this column? What is the total? 40 plus 33 and 30 plus 38?
70,000.
70 or
73.
73,000. 73,000. We'll be writing it over here also. Which side is less? Increase ആണോ decrease ലാണോ?
Decrease.
Decrease.
ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ just എഴുതുക 35,000. That's it. The main thing is that after finding out working capital for 2009 and 2010, you should see which year is more. 2009 ആണോ 2010 ആണോ? 2009 it is only 1,50,000. 2010 it is 1,85,000. Upon then what we can understand, working capital has been increased to an amount of 35,000, right? അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ? So increase in working capital 35,000. So 35,000 we'll also be getting where? While doing the എവിടെയാ കിട്ടുക? Fund flow statement. While doing the fund flow statement, right? You just have an overview. From next class we'll be doing the problems only. Yes. What is the next item after preparing our statement of changes in working capital?
Fund flows.
Fund flow statement. Sources of funds and application of fund. Here also net increase or decrease ഇവിടെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ? We'll be getting the same amount as 35,000. Now we'll see how to do that. Sources of funds. What are the sources of funds? നമ്മൾ ഇനി what we are going to omit. What we are going to omit?
Current
Asset and current liability.
liabilities.
ഇത് നമ്മൾ ഇനി ചിന്തിക്കില്ല. Useless items. This is over. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി ചിന്തിക്കില്ല. Now come. Now see land and long-term investments, and in liabilities, equity, capital, and general reserve. What was the first item in fund flow statement as sources?
Long-term investment.
You can write that. Apart from that, what was the first item? Issue of
Share.
issue of shares. Source of fund we have to write issue of
Shares.
shares. What is the reason why we wrote issue of shares? See, എന്ത് പറ്റി 2008 and 2009 or 2009 2010 or something like that. Issue of shares. Yes. 2009 1,25,000 it was equity capital, and 2009 it became 1,50,000. So what is the difference?
25,000.
25,000.
Right? 25,000. Issue of share 25,000 has been increased when it comes to equity shares. So we have to write it as issue of share. 25,000 came inside our business, no? Earlier it was 1,25,000. It became 1,50,000. So 25,000 is issue of shares. Okay. What is the next item? You go to land. What has happened to land?
Increased.
Land in 2009 it was 20,000. It became 30,000. We
Purchase
don't
of
have
land.
any adjustments. How it became 30,000?
Purchase of land.
Purchase of land. എവിടെയാ വരിക? Sources or application?
Application.
Application. Simple. Come to long-term investment. What had happened to long-term investments?
Reduce
First year 15,000, second year it became 10,000. Where did it 5,000 gone? അത് വാങ്ങിയോ വിറ്റോ? 15,000 became 10,000. Investments reduced. What
Vittu.
happened?
Vittu.
Vittu means
Sale.
sale. So where we are going to write that?
Source.
Source. Sale of investments.
Investment.
How much?
5,000.
5,000. You're getting the point. But ഇതൊന്നും അല്ല പ്രോബ്ലം. കുറെ കട്ടൊക്കെ അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെന്റ് വരുമ്പോ ഇങ്ങനെ തല ചുറ്റുന്നതാണ്. But it is very easy. Okay. What is the next item for source? The major source.
Reserve. General reserve.
Fund from
reserve.
operation. Fund from operation. We don't have any adjustment. So we are taking the difference between general reserve. Okay. So what is the difference between general reserve?
15,000.
15,000. We will be treating that as fund from
Operation.
operations. എങ്ങനെയാ അത്? 75,000, right? 75,000.
1675
75,000 minus 60,000.
60,000.
15,000. Okay. Sources of funds: issue of share, sale of investment, fund from operation. What are the next source, or it is over? വേറെ സോഴ്സ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ലല്ലോ. We don't have any adjustments or anything. So the sources are over. Okay. Now what is the next thing to do?
Application.
Total sources. 25 plus 5 plus 15. How much?
25, 30.
45.
45.
Application of fund. Application of fund means പൈസ പോയി നമ്മുടെ കമ്പനിയിൽ നിന്ന്. Long term investment over, general reserve over,
Purchase
equity
of
capital
lands.
over. Land. Because of why we are writing it as application means land in 2009 it was 20,000 rupees, but next year it became 30,000 rupees. That means we don't have any adjustments also. That means we have purchased a land worth rupees 10,000.
10,000.
When we purchase something, what happens? The money or fund goes out from our business. So application of fund, what we have to write?
Purchase of land.
Purchase of land. എത്രയാ? 10,000, right?
10,000.
10,000. Any other application? There is nothing, right?
No.
Total application. How much?
10,000.
10,000. So increase or decrease?
Increase.
Total sources minus total applications.
35,000.
45,000 minus
10,000.
10,000. What is that?
35,000.
What is this? Statement of changes in working capital also showed us increase in working capital 35,000 rupees. Fund flow statement also showed us that
Increase in 35,000.
increase in working capital 35,000 rupees. So always statement fund flow statement will be equal to statement of
Statement of
changes in working capital. And this is the small problem, and tomorrow onwards we'll be doing only problems very slowly. At that time you will be understanding. So the basic things you have to remember is that statement of changes in working capital talks about current assets and current liabilities. Statement of this one, fund flow statement, talks about non-current asset and non-current liabilities. So in statement of sources and application of fund, we'll be writing various sources of funds where our company received the money, and application of fund talks about spending the money for getting something. That is all about this fund flow statement. So many of you may have some difficulties, but in the subsequent sessions now, while doing problems, it will be very easy to do that.